I'm doing with mentor sweet. Maybe I don't plan to talk to anybody. I don't have time alone. But in case you see this fine boy approaching you, maybe you don't talk for long. Your mom is saying just directly saying, "Come out and pay you have mouth to do." You understand? So make sure to go with your mentor sweet and your body spray. Come out and matter something, bath something for your future be. You understand now? Yeah. Hey. Hi guys. Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashidemis, and of course you're watching Keeping Up with Ashidemis. I wanted to say Ashidemis Super, no, I'm used to Ashidemis Super. So you're watching Keeping Up with Ashidemis. So today is Saturday morning, and for the past 2, 3 or 4 months I've been inside this house. I did not go anywhere, just shooting videos. If I step out of my house, is to go and throw dustbin or to go and pick my order from the delivery person or so. And who at times, though I like staying indoor, like kind of my indoor person, but at times you just feel like kidney, let me even go out. I've been postponing this out because for me to actually start up on my bed, go and bathe and start going, it's only if I'm going to school or this time. For now, I'm not in school, so yeah, I'm just bored. So I'm actually new in my city, and I chatted a couple of friends that has been in my city before. If there's a fun food place I can go, I thought of going to Shoprite, but Shoprite, the music they used to play, I just need a quiet place, different from my house. Like I can just, that kind of thing now, and all of that. So I just chatted a couple of friends that has been in my city before, and they recommended this Agodi Gardens. Though the Agodi Gardens is not in my city, Gangan, but it's like 1.5 hours or 2 hours from my city. Because the city I am Gangan is all this local, what have you. So, but then, if it's worth it, traveling 1.5 hours too is another way of just unwinding. So this is like early morning, so that's why I actually want to leave. But before I leave, since it's 1 hour 30 minutes away, and aside that, I'll be packing some things, and that is why I'll be showing you this video on how to pack and what to pack when you're going on a short vacation like this, like all this kiniko, especially for a female. For guys, nothing. Basically, you have to go, and also, So now, are you ready to know the important things to pack in your thing, in your bag, in your handbag? So everything that I want to pack, my handbag cannot contain. So I'm carrying my school bag. So guys, let's go. Please, if you know you are new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Join this sweet happy family. Ashidemis Empire, Ashidemis Food Panel, and everything. Please make sure to click the subscribe buttons. Okay, I know you before, so make sure to click the subscribe button. So now let's get started. So first of all, I started with selecting my clothes. It took me having this thing, then my shoes. So this is the mini bag I'll be using. I'll be carrying this my school bag. The first of all, most important, is my power bank. This power bank is 80,000 mAh, and I made a video on it on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box. Like, this thing is mad. That's the first and most important thing, my power bank. Then after, my charger, my 2 chargers. I use Android and I use an iPhone. Next important is my earpiece, or you carry your AirPod. I say earpiece called Dana Henny. My AirPod Joe, I be earpiece. Like when you used to listen to music. Since they say the place is quiet, I just want to like have time with myself and all of that. And these guys don't want to disturb you, just for as if you're on call. Understand? The next important is your lipstick, because it's actually kind of Harmattan period now, and just in case you see that fine boy. Then my drugs. I've not eaten breakfast, so I'm taking it. I'm actually cheating. This thing it gets to be I won't talk. Don't worry, you guys just stay tuned. And I'm an ulcer patient. This one that I've not eaten in the morning, just in case. I'm taking my Zesty tablet. And another most important is wet wipe. As a girl, even girl, male or female, make sure to always take your wet wipes with you. You might want to clean your face, your hands, you understand, anytime you're going out, always make sure to go with your wet wipe. And another most important, if you don't have money, you're not like to enter, is my wallet. Man, there's no money inside this wallet. You should come and give me money now. Have fun now, see, because over BB, my wallet and my ATM card, just in case. I heard you pay 500 naira to enter, Sha. Understand? You pay 500 naira to enter, and what else? I don't know, just in case. Yeah, I'll be eating there. Then that's all. This is the shoe I'll be putting there, you know. But this is really optional. Me, once I bought powder in the house, I don't like rubbing it again. I don't care if I see fine girl or not. I don't even like rubbing powder. I might not even be rubbing powder safe. The clothes I'll be wearing. So I just had to test to see the one that will fit here. And this is my shoe. I put on sneakers because the place is not gardener for easy walk and all of that. Well, let me do this thing very well. Do this video. Oh, below you. So that is everything I'm packing. At least this one looks like this one. So why I'm putting on long sleeves, because I told you the weather is kind of cool. It's raining and it's kind of cold now. So that's why I'm putting on long sleeve. Even this one is long sleeve. You know. So guys, let's go shower. Let's go bathe. Let's go take a while. And trust me, now I'll be making video for you guys and everything. You know. Sunglasses. How can I forget this? This is my mini TV magnifier. I actually made a video on it. I don't know. So family, I took my pepper spray. It's a must as a girl, just in case I get there and I see any of these guys that used to do like they have squish in their head, don't harass me. Just spray them, just more. So every time, as a girl, as a boy, as a babe, as a female, as a unisex, always unisex, multisex, multicellular cell, singular cell, always make sure to go out with your pepper spray. The country isn't safe. Even this life is not safe. Anybody down to be wearing, spray their spray their life away. Kidding you be wavy. When I ordered this thing, I wanted to try it, guys. I wanted to die that day. I even sprayed it at a distance. I honestly, this is not good. I won't die that. I was just coughing. People thought I was cooking that easy. Irony is pepper spray. So. And another most important is, you can guess. I don't like how this thing used to do mirror. You want to be now to be showing you people what I am doing. So, and the most important is make sure to close all your windows. Especially if you're in Nigeria, close your windows. It's not gonna be funny if rain falls, especially in this rainy season. If rain falls and then everywhere is filled, and then make sure to check your tap. You know, at times if you wanted to bathe and there was no water, you might forget to leave the tap on. The day I left my tap open and I came back to water, and I came back to ocean in my house. It was not funny. Glory be to God that I did not go far. I hardly actually forget things like that, because once it's like no light, when I want it, like I just off it back. But then when I don't even know what tap, I just let them just go to the I can't buy it for you. They were in my kitchen. It was not funny. So the last most important thing, make sure to close your windows. Make sure to check your taps, and you can actually switch off your changeover. But since I'm coming same day and I have stabilizer in my house, you can omit that. But if you don't have stabilizer, you know that when NEPA used to do like when you're in your area, make sure to put it to change neutral, so that in case they bring lights that want to burn everywhere, your own house will not burn. So those are the most important things you should do when you're going on a short vacation. And if you know you're going on a long vacation, make sure to empty your fridge. Very, very important. If you think light has been coming since you are there, it will be when you travel, they will not bring light. Make sure to empty your fridge, give your stuffs to your friends, Your family, give it to me, send it to me, wave it to me, don't waste it, give it to me. Understand? So I hope you enjoyed today's episode on short code. This time. I'll see you in my very next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click that subscribe button. And I'll see you in my very next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye. Even B is not organized. So another thing is I'm doing with mentorship. Maybe I don't plan to talk to anybody that I don't have time alone. In case you see this fine boy approaching you, then you don't talk for long, your mouth is saying just directly saying come out and put your mouth to do. You understand? So make sure to go with your mental speed and your body speed. Come out matter something, bad something for your future be. You understand now? Yeah, mashallah. So guys, I'll see you in my very next video. Thanks for watching today's episode with me. I'll see you in my very next video. Thanks for watching. I've said this word many times. Please make sure you click that subscribe button. And I'll see you in my very next video. Thank you. And I'm making a video as I am going, so I'll be posting it. But I don't want this video to be too long. This one is just packing videos. So I'll see you in my very next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. That lips is